Ciao amore! How are you? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, gagawa ako ng video, diba? Hindi maaaring hindi kasi routine eh. Tsaka, yun. Yun na yung gift ko sa'yo. Yan, total, kasi lagi kang malayo sa akin. So, I'll consider this as a gift every time na meron tayong celebration. Okay? Mwah. Just wanna say, happy 4th Anniversary na tayo. Wow! Hurrah, 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 hurrah. I'm so thankful that I have you. Sorry sa mga bagay na hindi ko intention na nagagawa na makes you feel bad. And I'm very thankful talaga na hindi ka na let go. You're always making me strong. Tapos you're always there for me. You never leave my side. And ako ay nagpapasalamat na binigay ka na sa akin. Bro, sa akin. I love you so much and I miss you. Sobra. Sana pag dumating yung time na magkakasama na tayo, kahit anumang obstacles, kahit anumang challenges, trials, consequences na dumating, hindi tayo bibitaw sa isa't isa, okay? I want you to be my last and I wanted to marry you. I really do. Ikaw lang ang nakapagpasaya sa akin ng ganito. And you'd only complete me, amore. Without you, I don't think I can still survive. You're a reason why I'm still breathing. I love you so much. Sana pagpasensya mo na kung ganito lang lagi video kasi syempre hindi naman tayo magkasama parati. Hindi ko magawa yung kung ano man yung gusto kong gawin para sa'yo. And sana amore, maging masaya tayo parati para sa isa't isa. Bawal lang maging weak. Okay? Kung weak ka, strong ako. Kung strong ka, weak ako para balance. Okay? Tapos, yun. Masaya ako na nagiging stronger tayo each day. Hindi ko ma-express yung feeling ng masaya. In love ako sa'yo. Amore. You're so cute. Gigil ako sa'yo. Anyways, I'll sing a song. Ayun, just like the old times. Pagpasensya mo na kasi hindi siya ganun ka-wonderful just like before. It's a simple video lang talaga. Promise ko kasi hindi ko talaga siya talalampasin na wala akong video sa'yo. And yan, nag-ayos ako ng buhok. Gusto ko maging presentable ako pagdating sa aking amore. Okay, well, here goes the sing. Are you ready? Because I am ready. Okay, here goes. When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Ooh. When the world is unkind and dreams they need more time, I'll be there for you. If the rules they keep breaking and the future is fading, I'll be there for you. The rainbow will land in the palm of your hand. Don't ever let it go. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there. Who knows where we'll go? What will tomorrow bring? But we have each other, just hold on tight. We can take to the skies and fly high. I'll be there. I'll be there when the stars don't shine anymore. I'll be there. Walang practice, amore, pero I hope you like it. Galing yun dito sa puso ko. And it means a lot na magsising ako sa'yo ng song na gano'n. Talagang sobrang dedicated ako. Okay? I hope you enjoy watching this small, simple video of mine. I love you so much. 2 seconds. Okay, there it goes. I miss you. All I ever think of is you. Every day. Sana mo rin dumating yung time kung kasama na tayo. Kasi naiyak ako. Iyakan sa mo rin, no? Nah, sa'yo lang. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal. I'm all yours. Huwag na huwag ka mag-worry kasi I am a one-woman man. Okay? I love you so much, amore. Happy 4th Red City. Hurrah! 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 Ngayon pala, piniisip ako na anong pwede sa anniversary. Hihi. I love you. Mag-iingat ka dyan parati, ha. Tsaka, baby ka. Alam ko naman na mabait kang girl. Tsaka, ginagawa mo yung lahat para maging mas lalong masaya si amore mo. But I am too. Maghihintay ako para sa pagbabalik mo. Okay? I'll be more responsible. Naging tayo na, amore. I love you so much and I will always will. Hope you enjoy and ciao ciao. I'm looking forward to doing another video sa 5th naman natin. Okay? Ciao ciao, amore mio. And God bless us all. I love you. I really do. I miss your kisses so much and your hugs also. Mahal na mahal kita. Siya, aking mahal. Sana ma-upload ko na to agad para mapanood mo. Ciao. Enjoy. Love you.